everyone, welcome to What's Trending for June. This month we're going to take a look at the hairstyle that everyone is going to be wearing this winter. I can't wait to hear what you guys think about it, so make sure you stick around. I know we've featured lots of weird and wonderful face masks on What's Trending before, but this is a trend that is showing absolutely no signs of slowing down. We've got bubble masks still kicking around on Instagram. Then there's the Glow Recipes watermelon mask, which has a 5,000 person waiting list. Ridiculous. We've got self-tanning masks, magnet masks, and then there's Garnier's new Hydro Bomb tissue mask, which is one of my favourites, just because the fabric is super light, a lot lighter than your average kind of cloth face mask, which means it doesn't slide down your face, and you can get those ones for less than $5 a pop. Have you guys tried any of these new face masks? If you have, I'd love to hear about it. Let us know in the comment section below. Forget brow game. This month it's all about lash game, and we saw this in a huge way at Sydney Fashion Week. We had brands like Maybelline and also MAC doing big, fat, spiky lashes at Dyspnea and also Alice McCall. Then there's coloured mascara, which is having a big moment right now. Ombre lashes all over Instagram, looks amazing, just a shot of colour on the tips of the lashes for that incredible ombre effect. And then there's also naked lashes, which is kind of the complete opposite look, where you're leaving the lashes completely bare. It's quite Parisian, works really well with a bold lip, but for this look I would recommend using a curler still, just to keep your lashes looking groomed. Moving on to hair now, the sci-fi bob is the style of the moment. We've been seeing it on heaps of celebrities, from Selena Gomez to Bella Hadid. Basically, it's a longish, really futuristic bob. There's not a hair out of place, super shiny. It's almost like a helmet of hair. Some celebrities have been adding a slight wave or a flick to it, but at the end of the day, we're keeping it really blunt and futuristic and modern. I would say though, if you are thinking of wearing this hairstyle, make sure that you have a really good smoothing cream and also a shine spray in your arsenal. And maybe rock it with a turtleneck. I feel like in terms of fashion tips, that would be one that would work really, really well with this hairstyle. If you're into highlight and strobing products, you are going to love the new lip glosses everyone's talking about. First up, there's Becca Cosmetics' new lip gloss collection. It's inspired by the brand's famous highlighters, and it features glosses that contain a blend of pearls, which means that they catch the light and create a sort of prismatic effect on your lips. Then there's Huda Beauty. She's brought out a lip strobe collection, which has gone viral. Very, very frosty shades, quite 90s inspired. We're expecting to see many more of these lip glosses coming out in the coming months, particularly with so many beauty bloggers on board. Personally, for me though, they're a bit full on for real life, for every day. Would you wear them? I'd love to know. Let me know in the comment section below. So those were our favourite beauty trends for June. Definitely let us know if you had a favourite, or if you're thinking of trying one out for yourself. Go on, I dare you. And make sure you hit subscribe as well, just so you don't miss the beauty trends for July.